Maji Maya Hishmohoregas of Fashti, Tamajic Play and for the autumn time in Yelig, Harn Kaikisha Lewis over the past fortnight. And we're just going to recap now on all the words that the children have learned here over the past fortnight here on the table with me. So, tas nómad leis an for autumn. Agus vi magic clactu ar nahana, we're practicing the colours of autumn: glass, dun, jarag, orishte, bui. Agus vi magic play over in Ferramura. We were discussing the work of the farmer and Ferramure. Agus and dói and I mean she integricha le linanor, the way that he's very busy over the autumn time. Ag bunch na barry, gathering the crops, ag bunch na barry. Okay, there's bar, one crop, but na barry, the crops. Agus ag bunch and crynyacht, okay, and crynyacht is the wheat. Agus janan to plur, you make flour out of the wheat. Agus as and plur tagen and aran, from the bread comes, or from the flour comes the bread. Agus and Skiel den Taran, the story of bread, vi magic play shin kamai sarang. We were discussing that as well in the classroom. Na Dilyoga, and we learnt our lovely song, Dilyoga Jassa Jassa, the leaves. Agus Usajan to and Raka, and we sagarjing. We now need to obviously use the rake out in the garden near Shajan and Gee when the wind blows. Agus being magic balyu na Dilyoga, we do be gathering the leaves, okay? Chain lan enini, lots of the birds go change their immerka, they go migrate. Agus shot an een, one bird, na enini, the birds. Agus fekan muj and na preachan go hariha stis sa gort, sis sa fark. We see these crows often in the fields of wheat, agus being in far brega, and we ag janu shoo earn the preachan dana shooing off these terrible crows. I mean ag iri and kanyacht iha, who are trying to eat the wheat and the sheaves of corn. Lynn, me Jerry Ford, Magic Tushik Danish Ejiluan. We're starting now on the month of October, on Monday, and Jerry Ford, August be Magic Play Anish in the pumpkiny. We'll be discussing pumpkins, August and Doi, and then Jan and Mujere Dunny Hauna, and how we will prepare for Halloween. These will be the next cards that the children will be studying. But and Shackton Shaw this week to Magic Dull Hig na Kilcha, we're going to the woods, Rathmwhelan and Rathmullen. August be Magic Feckin Shama, we'll be looking out for Canona, nuts, and we'll be looking out for Croch Apple for conkers. August Emery in the Pashti conkers, Lesh na Croch Apple. The children play conkers, a game of conkers with the Croch Apple, with these conkers. August Bunnen Shid and Sultas, they really enjoy them. Hannick Majarasher Skull and me Lunasa. We came back to school at Jerry me Lunasa at the end of August. August ta man for Catchanish. September is now past. Shin and you and Kate lad the me Jerry for today is the 1st of October. So ta couple me catcha. There's a couple of months spent now and over, and Lunasa man for Jerry for Sean the tree me the me and or the done and Shazer for. They are the 3 months of the season of autumn. Focolella avi magic play. Other words we were discussing was Nakira, August Nakiri, obviously the berries. August vi ig balju na suha talun, August ig balju na smeradua. We were out gathering blackberries. Ihan and Tararua, the red squirrel, Ihan she Jarkan, they eat acorns. So be much fekin Chamashal Kill will be looking out in the woods for that as well. Won't be boys and girls, the acorns, the Jarkan. August Lilin and Or and Ish ta cudged in the Hamvi has some animals are getting ready Hundul na Chalu, August Dulin na Lee, Dun and Gevry. We're getting ready to go to sleep now during the winter. August change it na Chalu, they go to sleep and bear, okay, August Gevru shin hibernation, August Janan she'd Gevru, they do hibernation. Lilin and Gevry during the winter. So Chain and Bear Moore and Bear Dunn in a hollow, agus Chain and Graniog, isn't that right? The hedgehog hibernates as well. Agus V and Ferramure ag Balú na Barry. The farmer was gathering all the crops agus na glassry, the vegetables. Agus feckin munch ula san ulord. We see lots of ul, one apple, ula with an A on it for apples. Agus Balú and two na hula, you gather the apples san ulord in the orchard. Agus Janan to Alan Ruddy Jassa, Piog ul, apple tarts and things like that during the autumn time. So Shaw ar Vokla a bhí muidig stadger. They're all the words now that the children do know. Agus my shiva fasti shiva Jamie go hintak. You're doing absolutely fantastic with your Irish words in Gaelic. Agus beidir muidig tushik the mahanish ihe hauna agus I Jamie Radishin will be starting out after our Buscalone chapter this week. We will be then moving on to Ihe hauna and on to Halloween. Gura maigav.